Instagram has been one of the fastest growing online platforms of 2018, and it will continue to grow in 2019. So that makes it a very interesting and inviting place for actually starting a business on the internet. So if you want to learn exactly how to start a business on Instagram, there is a 7-step process that you must follow. And if you want to learn exactly what those 7 steps are, then make sure you watch this entire video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much once again for checking out my content. I really appreciate it. If this, however, is your first time on my channel, my name is Kirk Buchanan, and on this channel I teach people how to start and run a business on the internet. So if you want to learn exactly how you too can start and run a business online, then make sure you get subscribed to my channel, because I'm always putting out great quality content to help you to do exactly that. I've been running my own online business for over 2 years now, and that is what qualifies me to bring you this kind of information. All right, so with that said, let me talk to you right now about how to actually start your business on Instagram. Starting a business on Instagram now in the latter part of 2018 going into 2019 is a fantastic idea. All right, so Instagram is poised for enormous growth in 2019 as well. All right, but in order for your business to grow on Instagram, you need to follow a systematic approach. All right, so this systematic approach is a 7-step approach, a 7-step system I've curated to share with you. So since I've been using these 7 steps in my business, I've been growing, I've been generating about 30 to 40 leads every single day from my very small business profile on Instagram. All right, so let's talk a lot more about that right now. So first and foremost, how to start a business on Instagram. So I'm sure you've heard before that you need to know exactly what it is that you're going to be doing. It's very important because everything you do on your Instagram page going forward must be related to what your niche is, to what it is that you're doing your business in. All right, so of course you need to find your niche. Most people know beforehand exactly what their niche is, and I'm assuming you know exactly what niche you're getting into. Usually this is something you're passionate about, something you've been studying for a while, so that means that you shouldn't have any difficulty mastering exactly that niche. All right, but if it is that you are just coming up with an idea, what I highly recommend is that you do some research and qualify that niche, qualify that idea. The place I recommend you go as it relates to qualifying an idea is Google Trends. Alright, so there are lots of other keyword research tools on the internet, but Google Trends give you a lot of data and a lot of information that can help you to qualify your niche, to qualify your idea. So let's say, for example, you were planning to start a business as a yoga instructor on Instagram. So you could go to Google Trends and type in yoga instructors and see if people are actually searching for this term. And as you can see right here, very high search interest, and people in the United States is searching for yoga instructors a lot. And these are the top cities that people are searching for yoga instructors. So as you can see, a lot of data can be gathered using Google Trends when you're qualifying your niche. All right, so once you've identified what it is that you're going to do and you've mastered, you've taken the time out to actually study and master that niche, then you need to, of course, create your business plan. So your business plan need to say exactly what it is that you're going to bring to the market. What kind of value are you going to be bringing to the market? Because this is what's going to set you apart and help you to determine exactly if your idea is a good idea. If you don't know what kind of value it is that you're going to be bringing, maybe you should reconsider that idea or find out exactly what kind of value you can bring. All right, so create your business plan, and your business plan doesn't necessarily need to be a 10-page document or a 20-page document. It just needs to say for sure exactly what you're going to be bringing to the market and how you're going to be delivering that content and how you're planning to monetize that in the long run. All right, so once you've identified your niche, you've created your business plan, then you need to go about setting up your digital profile. All right, so creating your Instagram business page, creating out a website, and building it out to match your brand and to match your niche, of course. All right, so once you've created your Instagram business page, you need to make sure that everything on that page is related to your business and to keep it niche specific. All right, so unless you're building out a personal brand that you're trying to show people what your life is about, then in that case you can post different stuff about your personal self and stuff that you have been doing. But if you're building out a business in a particular niche, you need to ensure the content you're putting out is specific to that niche. That will help you to grow a lot faster, and people will know exactly that that is what you're known for. All right. So you're building authority in that field. All right. So once you've built out your digital profile, then of course you need to start creating content. Most businesses fail right now in this digital age because they fail to put out content. All right. So you need to be putting out a ton of content, a lot of content. And on Instagram, it is recommended that you put out content at least twice per day, at least twice per day. All right. So your content can be images. It can be short videos. As you know, Instagram allows videos up to a minute long, and you can do Instagram live. And I highly recommend you play with all three content format for your business on Instagram. So it's very important. So how do you create content for Instagram? Let me just go back to my Instagram profile right here. As you can see, most of my content look a particular way. And I use Canva to create the content for my Instagram page, as you can see right here. So Canva is free. You just need to sign up and play around with it for a couple of minutes, and you can figure out exactly how you can use Canva to create really nice image content for your Instagram page. As it relates to video content, of course, you're going to have to record yourself to put out video content. And for Instagram Live, it's the same thing. All right. So if you're doing a product, you have to make videos of that product for your Instagram page and do the same for Instagram Live. So you just have to think about exactly what it is that you're going to be doing and know exactly what kind of content will work best for that product or brand. All right. So step number 5 is you have to learn how to sell, because once you start adding value to a community and you're putting out content and people start to reach out to you and your business starts to grow, you have to learn exactly how to sell, because this is how you're going to monetize your business, to make money from your business. And if you're not making money from your business, you're going to get demotivated and you're not going to continue. So you have to learn exactly how to sell so you can monetize your business on Instagram. All right. So how do you learn how to sell? A lot of people don't like selling, but selling is one of the most important skills you can learn. All right. So I do highly recommend that if you don't know how to sell, you follow me on YouTube. I teach a lot about selling, or you can actually do some online courses. You could do free videos on YouTube. A lot of other people teach selling related content as well, and read books, or you could do mentorship. All right. So some of the books I highly recommend you read as it relates to selling is Sell or Be Sold by Grant Cardone, Influence, The Psychology of Persuasion by Robert Cialdini, or you could read Psychology of Selling by Brian Tracy. So those 3 books are some good books as it relates to learning about selling. And I highly recommend watching videos as well, and just consume as much content as you can as it relates to selling. It will definitely help you to sell better. Mentorship is also good. So if you know people that sell online and know how to sell online, get them to mentor you. And I have a mentorship group, private mastermind group, and it currently has 1,029 people. So it's free to join for now. So I highly recommend you get in right now if you want to learn directly from me and other people in that community. All right. So once you are finished learning how to sell, of course, then let's go to step number 6, which is to start networking. So on Instagram, you have to reach out to people. All right. So in any business at all. So you have to reach out to people and you have to network to get people to know you and to try to get clients. All right. So Instagram, you can send people DMs. All right. So you want to engage with people on your content. So if you have images, videos, and you have people responding to your content, engage with your community. So these people can actually become potential clients. So you have to start networking and network in different groups as well. So join other mastermind groups, join other groups and start networking and tell people exactly what it is that you do. Don't be afraid to market yourself and tell people what you do and try to start garnering business for your business. All right. So it's very important that you do that for your business if you want it to be successful. All right. So finally, let's talk about step number 7. And as you can see, it says sell your product or service and repeat. All right. So once you have done steps 1 through to 6, basically, it's just a matter of selling and making money and continue putting out content and continue growing your business on Instagram. And that's how you grow a massive business on Instagram. But before I actually go, I have some bonus tips I want to share with you to help you to actually grow your Instagram page and grow your business on Instagram. This right here is what I want to recommend to you. This website is called All Hashtags, and hashtags is one of the easiest ways to actually reach your potential clients on Instagram. So you need to know how to find the best possible hashtags. So I use all hashtags for my hashtagging on my Instagram posts, and it will give you, as you can see right here, top hashtags for a keyword. It gives you random hashtags for a particular keyword, or live hashtags. Alright, so what I usually do is for each post I make, I would type in 3 different keywords, and I take 10 hashtags, then I take another 10 and another 10 to reach my 30 hashtag limit. And this is what has helped me to grow my Instagram page right here by about 30 followers every single day over the past couple of days. Alright, so that is what I'm using right now. And basically that is all I wanted to talk to you about as it relates to starting a business on Instagram. Really do hope you found this video helpful. If you did, let me know, drop a like on the video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. And finally, don't forget to subscribe to my content, because I'm always putting out content. And these days I'm putting out daily content. So if you want to learn directly from me, then make sure you get subscribed. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.